Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 10th, 2021. You guys can see from my screen, we want to give you all a price prediction in the market for clean energy fuels. This particular stock has gotten a lot of hype from Reddit, from mainstream media, CNBC, and you guys can tell, rightly so. You guys can see over the last 2 or 3 days, this particular stock has seen some massive gains of late. Now, the question that we're going to answer today on this video is, will it be maintained? And if not, how low can we expect the price to go before we find some support? So we're going to address all of that today on this video, all without being confused. We want you all to join our team, join our community, because for us, this is what we're all about. We're all about seeing where price is going to go so that we can get in position and dominate the stock market. If you want to join our community and dominate this space and get a heads up as to where price is going to go, make sure before you head out, hit the like button, share and subscribe here to the channel. We definitely would like your all support and joining of our community. So real quick, I've already created the downtrend line into the market in clean energy, and you guys can see we broke that. Now, one thing for us, when we see these things occur into the market where a market breaks a trend, that needs to get our attention. And over the last 2 trading days in the market in clean energy, it has done just that. And it did it on a decent amount of volume. You guys can clearly see that the volume from yesterday, June the 9th, was climactic. This particular market has not seen this much volume since it's been exchanged here on the stock market, since it's been trading here. You guys can see as I zoom out. Right? So what happened? Because you can see the following day, June the 10th, which is today, the market in clean energy could not maintain that strength. It could not maintain the buying, the demand that came through yesterday. So what occurred yesterday in trading simply tells us that there was more sellers in the market than there were buyers. It's just that simple, right? So let's take a look at the market on the 3-day time frame in clean energy. And here you guys can see that we're still getting some weakness here. But for me, my crucial area of support in order for this stock to continue to see higher price movement is right here. Okay, let me show you. It's right there around $9, almost $10 even, is where we're looking for the market in clean energy fuel to hold support. If we get that to close out this trading week, then it tells me that the market wants to continue to go higher in the long term. If we can't, then we know we're going to follow that downtrend line you guys can see on my screen. We're going to continue to follow that into the market as well. So now let's see the market on the 5-day time frame. Take a look at that volume. Take a look at where the market is closing on that current last completed 5-day price bar, which is right here. Okay, I want you to look at this right there. Do you see where the market closed at? That tells us that there is more sellers into the market than there were buyers. So as we go throughout the upcoming trading week, we need to see the market show us more interest rather than more selling. Because if we still see more selling, sad to say, but the market in clean energy is going to break $10 and go a lot lower. Possibly even back down to $9.25. What do you all think? This is the weekly time frame in the market in clean energy fuels. So right now, I'm not going to be overly bearish, considering that this market in clean energy has broken that descending line, right? So for us on this particular video, we need to determine where support is. And I really like that $10 area. Okay, that area is going to be real important as we see this market in clean energy trade. We cannot see price break below that. So if you were to put in a price prediction into the market in clean energy, and we said that $10 will have to be support, that still gives about almost 10% profitability to see the market tag that out. So what do you all think? Should we do that? Should we hold the market, expect the market to come through and hold support there? Or should we expect it to go a lot lower? I want you all to tell me. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know, where do you think the market support is going to be in clean energy fuel? Because we're going to play the weakness here but I'm not going to be bearish. So if you all are bullish into this market and clean energy, I just want you all to relax, right? You guys can expect the price will go lower. And that's what we've seen the last 2 trading days into the market in clean energy. The market price has decreased. And I'm thinking the market's going to try to come through and hold support around 10. So we'll TP out the market in clean energy around $10. I'm going to take it down a little bit further though, right around $9.40 to ultimately try to take out that TP there. And you guys can see there that even in that particular situation, the market is still hugging that support price, right? It is still hugging on that descending line. So that's still good to see that actually play out into the market for for clean energy fuels, excuse me. So this is what we're going to play with into the market for clean energy fuels. I want you all to drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you all think the price is going to go for clean energy fuels? Tell me, where would you take the bag? Where would you take the profit at into the market in clean energy fuels, all without being confused, okay? So make sure you give me that price prediction into the market. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you think the price is going to go? And as always, make sure you maintain the profitability, and I'll see you all on the next video.